Tired of your digital games acting up when you're not on your usual Nintendo Switch? Today, we're going to show you how to designate your primary Nintendo Switch console, so you can access your digital library and enjoy all your content hassle-free, wherever you choose to play. First, power on the Nintendo Switch console that you want to be your non-primary console, the one you use less often. From the home screen, navigate to System Settings, which is the gear icon located at the bottom. Go ahead and select it. OK, now scroll down on the left-hand side menu until you see Users, then select it. You'll see a list of user profiles on your Switch. Choose the profile that's linked to your Nintendo account, the one you use to buy and download games. Next, on the User Settings menu, scroll down again on the right-hand side and select Nintendo Shop Settings. You should now be inside your Nintendo Shop Settings. Look for the Deregister option. It might also say Deregister Primary Console. Tap that button to start the process. A confirmation screen will pop up asking if you're sure you want to deregister this console. Read it carefully, then select Deregister. The system will now deregister, and you should see a screen confirming that the console is no longer the primary console for your Nintendo account. Now, power on the Nintendo Switch console that you want to be your primary console. Open the eShop using the same Nintendo account user profile. That's it. By simply opening the eShop on your preferred console, you've automatically made it your primary console. Your go-to Switch is now set, ensuring seamless access to your digital games and content. Happy gaming!